There are many clubs and teams represented at Mason High School, but just a few that go unrecognized. The MHS Robotics Team takes a closer look at how humans and robots work together in science. They work together as a team to design and build robots for recreation and competition. The MHS Robotics Team, known as MHS Silicon Edge, combines aspects of science and engineering to build robots to bring to competition. Deval Banerjee is the leader of Silicon Edge and loves the concept and challenge that comes when building robots.
Robotics competition, it's very intense, but it's also like a lot of fun. You get to see a lot of other teams out there. But the thing is, like, if one part breaks, then it becomes really difficult because you have about 5 minutes in between rounds to repair it. So it's just very challenging. The reason why like robotics teams aren't as common as you think they are. Like, there's 1 in 10, like 1 in every 10 schools has a robotics team related to FIRST robotics. That's the challenge we're in. And the reason why that is because it just costs a lot of money to start a team. It takes a lot of time, and it takes a lot of knowledge to start one too.
Pavan Vityam and Evan Krimpenfort, the programmers of Silicon Edge, talk about the robotics team and how it encouraged them to get more involved and what their role is as programmers.
What inspired me to join the robotics team was just to get more involved with the real world and how stuff works, how you have to go through the engineering process. Because you start off with designs, prototypes, different models, and then you go ahead and create it, you build it, you run it, and if there's a problem or in coding, you have to debug to make sure that the program works again.
So our coding has changed from last year, because last year we were focused just on one individual person coding, and it was just, we weren't focused on autonomous at all. This year we learned to use collaboration by a tool called GitHub, so many people can work on the programming at the same time.
MHS Robotics Team has many accomplishments under their name and continue to shine and represent the science side of MHS. I'm Jessica Maguire, NBC News.